another interesting point. I don't know if you guys believe in this. You guys know all these huge sites, right? Shine, Monster.com, IM Jobs,
Yes.
where recruiters and people who are applying for the jobs try to sign up and update their information. It doesn't matter if you're looking out for a specific role or a specific company, but it makes a lot of sense for all of you to update your updated resume in every single platform, whatever you know. Just go Google top recruitment related sites, upload your current information. Why? Because most of the people, recruiters, they will be part of all of the sites. Not one, most of the sites, a combination of sites. And you have to keep all the doors open for them to get in touch with you. So my friend landed in Google because somebody found his updated resume on Shine, and nobody believes it. And I was there.
I couldn't believe Shine would have given a job.
Exactly. He is sitting in Google Maps, Bangalore office now. He's a machine learning expert. It was a random cold call from some random recruiter, not from Google, but Google has a tie-up with a lot of other recruiters who is not doing all the fancy job or polished job, just being available in the premium platforms. So it keeps on trickling down, and suddenly any random recruiter also gets a job telling that, okay, you have to find some good people for Google. That's how the whole funnel works. And once this random recruiter finds you in any of these platforms, that's an initial push you get to get there. So don't ignore. This is also another assignment which I'm going to check if you guys updated it, and I've given very few. I'm going to share this on Slack, by the way, for you to put it as a checklist and do it. Yes, most of this might seem not so obvious guides, but this is what actually works in real life. Something like how people don't teach us financial management in school, but you have to do that all your life. These things are exactly this. Nobody's going to talk to you about all of this.